What is going on, YouTube Nation? This is Darth Dividend. If you guys are new to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. Tomorrow, we're going to start, like I said, being balanced with the arts. I'm going to show you a video while I'm meal prepping tonight on some REITs that I'll be buying for passive income. They're going to be new, and once I change a few things, I'll reveal to you the strategy, but I'm going to tell you straight up which ones I'm going to be buying. So I want to really mention this. I find a pretty good combination with MSTY with this other MicroStrategy ETF that I'm going to start putting money in weekly with this after this payment obviously goes through. I made 800, just watch how much I made in the previous video, and I added some money to some YieldMax ETFs, but I like diversification with some of these MicroStrategy ETFs, and I think in combination, this 1-2 combo is pretty good. I know I can't add some of the weekly pay ETFs, M1 Finance, by the way, since you're behind. And again, I encourage you guys to request a lot of securities. If you want to get on there, you should have it done. So I think that's very important that you add that on there, okay, M1 Finance, because there's a high demand. But I think this 1-2 combination with MSTY will help turbocharge my dividend portfolio. So if you're new to this YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. I own both of them, by the way. So smash that like button. Let's check out this ETF with MSTY right now. Yes, ULTY will be added to my dividend portfolio weekly, but that's not the one that I'm focused on. I'm going to show you something new, but I just want to go over MSTY real quick. So yes, things are looking pretty good right now with MSTY. Okay, in the past month, it's up 5.04%. Bitcoin's doing very well. And yes, I did buy some Bitcoin, by the way. My philosophy is there's nothing wrong with owning Bitcoin and MSTY. I think that's not a bad idea. And some people actually use MSTY to buy Bitcoin. So that's another thing. So the thing with MSTY, it's 2168 and it has a pretty good distribution. And the distribution rate is 74.90%, which is not bad. Okay, when we have pretty decent distribution. 2024, 412, 252, 303, 233, 194, 185, 419, 442, 308, 227, 202, 137, 133, 237, 147, 123. So up and down a little bit. I like MSTY to buy dividend growth stocks. That's one of my favorite reasons why I buy MSTY. And I'm not talking about PLTY, I have PLTY, but I want to go over this one. That is MST, the Defiance Leverage Long and Income MSTR ETF. So those two in combination with MSTY and MSTR, I like it. It's like the Legion of Doom in wrestling. Got Hawk and Animal, all right? So we got these two coming in, generating a lot of passive income for you. And I'm going to jump to them real quick. So its distribution rate is 85.30%. It has a weekly distribution. So the Defiance Leveraged and Long Income MSTR ETF seeks long-term capital appreciation with a secondary objective to seek current income. MSTY aims to deliver approximately 150 to 200% of the daily price performance of MicroStrategy, enabling investors to potentially capitalize on the stock's volatility and growth characteristics. The fund seeks to generate premium income through the use of credit call spread strategy. This strategy complements the fund's leverage exposure by aiming to manage and risk and support the fund's objective of current income. Because MicroStrategy's business strategy includes holding a substantial amount of Bitcoin, the fund's performance may be influenced by Bitcoin market trends. However, the fund does not directly invest in Bitcoin or Bitcoin futures. So just be aware of that. So its NAV is 1858. Okay, and you don't see anything like that. We got a decent distribution rate of 27 cents, 35 cents, 28 cents, 27 cents, 20 cents, 33 cents, 26, 26, okay? So we have a few things that we need to realize. And yes, I do own it. So here's some income that I made, okay? It's very up and down, so you have to be careful, okay? And like I said with MicroStrategy, okay, MicroStrategy goes down, MSTY takes a hit. So Bitcoin goes down, MicroStrategy goes down, MSTY takes a hit. Same thing with this one. So this is kind of new. There's a good distribution of it, and it has distributed some good things. So if I put money weekly, okay, ULTY, MST, MSTY, LFGY, all these weekly options income ETFs. So if I specifically put money in them each week, and of course there's going to be more because there's going to be new stuff out there, and M1 Finance is of course going to add some new securities. Each week I'm going to be making income. Each week I'm going to be putting in money into MST, MSTY. Each week, the income from them is going to be buying my dividend growth stocks. Each week, I'm going to create the dividend snowball effect. So this is my strategy. Again, dividend growth always wins, but it's nice to have a little cherry on top with this. So again, I want to be honest, and I know people have tried to put me on the spot. You know, would I go all in with these? No. I would much rather, I feel more confident in my dividend stocks like SCHW, American Tower, Prologis, Beachy Properties, you know, my REITs, and my Procter & Gamble, and my Target, and my Walmart, and Schwab, SCHW. I feel more confident in them long-term wise for retirement than these because it's just so up and down. Is it nice to get supplemental income for that? Yes. Is it nice to get a lot of money from them? Yes. But I need to make sure I have a conservative approach and balance, okay? You need to have a balance in your portfolio. Now, this is a dividend portfolio. On the other side, I have a growth portfolio, a traditional IRA growth portfolio, and I may make another growth portfolio because these weekly options income ETFs and MSTY, each time I put money in, I'm making more money and my money is making more money and da 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 da. It's like a hamster on a spinning wheel. I'm at that moment where I could put money in, you know, MSTY, MST, PLTY, no, hopefully HOOY comes soon, and then really create a snowball effect. And if I really have to, if I need money or something, I can just flip it, you know, maybe take a week's worth of income from MSTY and that and just use it. I don't know what I'll need it for because I plan on having allocating money into Bitcoin and Fundrise and other stuff because I have other stuff that I want to build up, but MST, MSTY is going to help me. So if you're new to this YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so don't miss future videos. I will have a video for you tomorrow. Take care and have a good one, and I'm going to jump to my disclaimer. So as a reminder, this is a disclaimer. Do not use my YouTube channel for any form of financial advice. It's specifically for entertainment purposes only. Investing is a big risk. You can gain money, you can lose money, so be aware and do your due diligence. Go to a financial advisor for financial advice. Go to a tax advisor for tax advice. I'm going to tell you that 1,000 times. I produce a lot of videos. So do that. Enjoy my passive income journey and investing strategy for entertainment purposes only. And you guys have a great Sunday. Take care.